Go.
Hi, I'm Kason. I'm with the Utah State University Outdoor Adventure Leadership Major Program. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a small patch in a technical fabric. So for my materials, all I've got are some scissors, an alcohol wipe, my patch material. This is tenacious tape from Gear Aid. And then I just have a little pointed mechanical pencil. So my first step here is to clean the area around my hole. You can see I've got a small tear in my sleeping bag. This is just from zipper pulling. It just happens, just catches all the time. So my first step, I'm gonna open up my alcohol wipe, and I just want to clean the area around the hole so that I don't have any debris or dirt interfering with the adhesive of my patch. And I use alcohol because it dries really quickly, and it's just a little safer to use with this insulation, especially if you have a down item, you don't want to be using water. So I'm just going to make sure that's all clean, and then I'm going to let that dry, and while it's drying, I'm going to measure my patch. And you want to make sure that you not only cover the hole, but also overlap it by about an inch, just so it's less likely to peel up and expose that hole again. Just gonna measure that out. Just place my material next to it, see how much I need to cut. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just cut a little piece out. Make sure it's gonna be the right size. Looks good. And then I'm going to be sure to round the edges of my patch. If you have sharp corners, they're just more likely to peel up or get caught. So round it out, and then be mindful of where your scraps go. You don't want to leave those out. So I'll have a little trash pile over here. Make sure that's going to work. And then, if you have a down item, you definitely want to stuff your insulation back in. That's why I have this mechanical pencil. This is a synthetic bag, so there's not really much to stuff back in, but I definitely want to make sure there's no fibers getting in the way of my adhesive. Just get that in there. And then sometimes with these tears, you get little strings coming out, and you'll just use your scissors to cut those off as well, but this one's pretty clean. So now I'm ready to apply my patch. So I'm going to peel off my backing. And then I want to make this fabric taut so that I don't get any creases under my patch. Center it over the hole. Press down one side. Keep it taut and smooth it out. And then give it some pressure to make sure all that adhesive gets down and makes connection with the fabric. And there you go. That's a patched hole in technical fabric. And that's going to keep my insulation from leaking out, and it's going to keep it doing its job. So that's it. Thanks for joining me for this, and have fun patching your gear.